Hi everybody, welcome to Skippy ChipMunk's art studio. Today we're going to make a picture of a big goofy cartoon bird, and it's not that difficult, so I'll show you how. We'll just break it down to shapes like we do with the other drawings we've done. Okay, somewhere near the top of your paper, but not too far, we're going to make two ovals side by side to make his eyes. So I'm going to take one and one right next to it. They don't have to be perfect. It's a cartoon. So then I'm going to take and make some eyelids, which are just like taking a line going across, and we'll give them some pupils. Those are just dots. Okay, now we're going to make an oval shaped head on him. So I'm going to start right where his eyelids are, and I'm going to go out and around, come around the other side like this. Okay, and before I go any further, I'm just going to take and make some feathers coming out of the top of his head. I think it makes him look kind of cute. And I'll put little dots on the end. And you can put as many as you want. This is your picture. So now we're going to do the beak. And the beak is like a long triangle with a curve on the end. But it's kind of wiggly. So I start with this half circle. Then I'm going to take it and go out almost to the end and then come back. You can make it wiggly. And then here, there's like the bottom of his beak. It's almost like a leaf shape, right? So, okay, next step, you could put a few little freckles here if you want. Give him a cute look. Okay, now we're going to take two lines down for his neck, and you can go 1, 2, and at the bottom, we're going to make some ziggy-zaggy lines to make his feathers. See right here? That's just like going in and out, connecting them. Now a nice big oval shape for his body. It kind of comes to a point at the end. So we're going to go out and around, see? And then we're going to go down and meet it at the end like this. And this is where his feathers will come out. 1. And again, make as many as you want, or as few. There you go. Now, I'm going to make a line like this to show his one wing. And over here, I'm going to make him holding a flower. So I'm going to come out about here. And then I'm going to curve it back like this. And I'm going to make an oval in here. This is going to look like his wing. Put a few little feathers here. And then I'm going to put a line here. Maybe I'll make more than one flower. I'll give him a couple flowers. And then you take and you make a little oval and petals. One over here. Maybe it could use a leaf. I know I didn't have it there. Okay. So now, what am I missing? We are missing his legs. So these are easy. These almost look like straws, don't they? So I'm going to make, from here, I'm going to mark out where we're going to go. We're going to make one line coming out this way, and then back. He's bending at the knee, and then one going the other way. Okay, and at the bottom, I'm going to put a little curved line like this. Now, I think I'll do this too, like I did on the other one. These are just little curved lines to give him some shape. Now, he needs some, right here, let's put some feathers. And again, they're just ziggy-zaggy lines. And shoes. Now I think what I'll do, first I start with the back of the heel. I make 2 half circles. And then I'm going to make long lines that come out, almost like wiggly lines, and then come back straight. Same thing here. We're going to go out and then this way. And it's okay if they're wiggly lines because that's what we want. Okay, so now let's take and put a background. And you can make bushes or garden, whatever you would like. All right, did I forget anything? I don't think so. All you have to do now is give it a little color. You know what I'm going to do right here? Put a few little curved lines. Go back and do that on this one too. All right, there you go. You can add what you like and do it in any color. All right, thanks for watching, and I hope you look at all the other Skippy Chipmunk videos that I have. Subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye.